Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for Filipino chicken curry. For this recipe, you'll need bone-in chicken drumsticks and thighs, onion, red and green bell peppers, carrots, potatoes, vegetable oil, curry powder, garlic, fish sauce, chicken stock, coconut milk, and minced ginger. Begin by preparing and combining the carrots, bell peppers, and potatoes in a mixing bowl. Dice the onion and set it aside in a separate bowl. Next, heat the oil in a cast iron Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Now, saute the bell pepper, potato, and carrot mixture until softened and starting to brown. Then, remove the veggie mixture to a mixing bowl. Next, add the onions to the Dutch oven and cook just until softened. Stir in the minced garlic and ginger just until fragrant. And then add each piece of chicken to the bottom of the pot, browning on all sides. Once the chicken is browned, remove it and set it aside. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Pour in a little bit of the chicken stock at a time while deglazing the pot. Be sure to keep all of the brown bits in, as this will give the curry a ton of flavor. Once the pot is fully deglazed, whisk in the fish sauce and curry powder. Now thoroughly stir in the coconut milk. Add the chicken to the curry sauce, making sure it's completely coated on all sides. Place the lid on the Dutch oven and allow the curry sauce and chicken to simmer for about 20 minutes, turning the chicken over halfway through. At the 20-minute mark, add the vegetables to the chicken curry and simmer for another 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through at an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your Filipino chicken curry turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.